First of all, on behalf of Islamic High School of Al Ittihad, allow me to convey my gratitude and thank you to all stakeholders of University Kebangsaan Malaysia for welcoming and accepting us right here to establish a benchmarking program. So this is really great opportunity for us to have this chance visiting to the outstanding university not only in Malaysia but also in the world. We believe for that. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Islamic High School of Al Ittihad, first of all, allow me to tell you the little bit of the background of our institution. Islamic High School Al Ittihad, or we name it as Sekolah Tinggi Agama Islam Al Ittihad. It is located in Cianjur, West Java, Indonesia. So it is about 80 kilometers from Jakarta to arrive to our university. So this university was established under the foundation of Islamic school, in which this foundation has multi-level of education beginning from kindergarten, elementary, junior, and also secondary school, consists of senior high school and vocational, and then also Islamic high school, which equal to university. So as the information that Islamic high school is one of private university in West Java. So this is a new university actually. It was established in 2019. So we are already 6 years since established until now. And then Alhamdulillah, for this year we got 4 majors. The first one is Economic Syariah, and allow me to mention the chief of the Department of Economic Syariah, Ibu Yulia. Okay, and then she is the chief or the head of department. And then the second one is Islamic Childhood of Education. So would you please, Bu Siti Radia, as the secretary from Islamic Childhood of Education. And then we also have Pak Khairuddin as the representative from Educational Management. And then the objective or the aims of our coming to this university, actually we have or we bring many agenda to this university. We believe and we realize that this is a right choice for us to come to this outstanding university. We would like to dig out our knowledge and also our insight and also our experience in the term of academic. If I may mention that the aim of our coming to this university, the first one is we want to have new experience on how university apply and does the operational. So this is becoming our new insight to have new atmosphere, new management, and we are really excited for this actually. And then the second one, if this is possible, we would like to cooperate in the terms of research, like mentioned just now. Alhamdulillah, for the information, we got already OGS, online journal system, right? Yeah, OGS. We got Sinta 5, yeah, 5 Sinta. So this is, I think, new beginning. So in order to broaden and also elaborate this, hopefully we can cooperate together in the developing of writing and also research. For the context and also for the technique, we may discuss further. Perhaps we can crossing like paper reviewers and also collaboration in writing the paper or the journal. And then the third one, if this is possible, like also mentioned just now, some of our lecturers graduated from magister program from economic. If we got the chance, maybe some of our lecturer, they may continue to the doctoral program in this university, continue their educational background. Mostly the lecturers coming from economic and education. So hopefully there will discussion on how the lecturers can continue their education in the level of doctoral program. And then the next one, if this is also possible, maybe we also can crossing the students perhaps from Indonesia to this university to have a short course, and also from UKM, and the student, they may have a curriculum which has been decided by university as the local or the distinctive subject from each university. So actually many things that we want to discuss. Maybe for more further discussion, we also can invite the lecturers to have more discussion. But I think for the general aims, I have already mentioned just now. And then for the last one, maybe about 2 days ago, I discussed with Pak Ismail. We are looking forward to welcoming the lecturers and stakeholders from UKM to come to Cianjur, West Java, Indonesia, and then we can establish one program. Maybe we can establish something like international seminar and also workshop, and then we also would like to invite the committee or stakeholders from Kopertais Wilayah 2 West Java, Indonesia as the representative from the government of the university. So Dr. Ismail and all friends, once again on behalf of Islamic High School, we would like to express our gratitude and thank you for helping us, for giving the chance to us. Once again, we are really excited to come to this outstanding university. Ya kan, Bapak Ibu senang ya kita bisa datang ke kampus ini, ya. So after this, maybe we can have further discussion. Last but not least, so sorry for all the limitation from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.